Hey, what's going on, guys? Brennan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at our total release odor bombs. An odor bomb is a total release odor eliminator that's designed to release its entire contents inside your vehicle. We have the Dakota Odor Bomb, which is available in neutral air and fresh melon. We have the Black Diamond Odor Bomb, which is available in Black Diamond scent. And we also have the Midnight Frost Odor Bomb, which is available in Midnight Frost scent. All smell great, and they all work great. So now that we've gone over all the odor bombs that we carry, we're going to go ahead and use one on the interior of the vehicle. But before we do so, we're going to make sure that we wipe down all the vinyl, upholstery, extract the carpets, and remove any other source of odor that could be causing that foul smell. All of these odor bombs are capable of covering 6,000 cubic feet of space. Our odor bombs can be used as a quick air freshener by spraying a small amount of the product under the front seat. This is a recommended way to use our odor bombs due to the high concentration of the scent. If you have an extremely foul-smelling vehicle, an ozone generator, or using an odor bomb with the total release method is what you'd want to do. Simply place the odor bomb in the cup holder of the vehicle, click in the trigger, set it, and forget it. We'll come back in 2 hours to check on the car. So it's been about 2.5 hours. We've allowed 30 minutes for ventilation after the odor bomb has finished its job, and the car smells great. No more odor, just a fresh smelling interior. That's about it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on our total release odor bombs or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here, DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.